Kangoo no
12
starting on
Kangoo.
no turnover.
And this is the problem I'm having with it. It won't start. So you switch on the ignition, you have lights, turn the key, nothing's happening. Now, as well as that, the fan runs. So you can hear the fan running. So the fan is running down there. So I stripped everything. So this is a quick fix, YouTube fix. Go down here, pull up that fuse panel in there, and there's a 15 amp blue fuse. Connect to that, just slide in a wire in it. And bring that wire to the power, like that. Fan cuts out, and watch what happens. Switch it off, switch it on. Fan runs. So you can thank me, YouTube, for my video.